To create a Studio Ghibli image like this, here's what you need to do. In your ChatGPT app, think about the details and the features you want your image to have because it is important when creating your prompt. Now, let's type create a Studio Ghibli image of a girl wearing a black polo shirt, brown pants, eyeglasses, and sneakers together with her cat in the park. Notice how specific and detailed my prompt is. It is important to think carefully when writing your prompt so that ChatGPT could generate the image exactly as you want it. Now let's fire it up and let's see the results. Let's just wait a few seconds. And there you have it. In just seconds, you have generated your own image. Notice how well ChatGPT followed my instructions when creating this image. A girl wearing eyeglasses, her black polo shirt, her brown pants, and sneakers together with your cat. Alright, so now you know how to create a Studio Ghibli image in ChatGPT. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.